It's not me, it's you. I could say you know it damn way like I do. Say you're moving on, well I guess that's just emotion. I guess that's just emotion. I guess that's just emotion. Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring ToyoTress hair. Big thank you to ToyoTress for sponsoring this video. So let's jump into this look. So as you can see, your girl has her braid pattern down. Today we will be doing some boho locks. I have their boho locks in the color T30. They're 16 inches. One set comes with 8 packs, so I have the 16-inch T30, one complete set, and this does have human hair, human curly ends, and human hair pieces throughout. So we're going to start off in the back. I did use the Mara Campo method to install this hair. I have a few other videos showing you exactly how I did that, but here we're going to jump into it. So I'm using a beater. I got this beater tool from Amazon. It was really inexpensive. About 10 of them came in a pack. I think it was like less than $4. So everything used in this video will be linked down below, and that is how I'm going to feed the locks into the back. So I know last time I had a few questions on exactly how many pieces I use to feed onto the braid. I use 7 pieces on each side. So each row is going to have 14 locks. And I'm just going to use the beater and slide it onto the braid. Once I repeat that step on the other side, I'm going to secure the 2 braids with a rubber band. And then I'm going to continue to do that as we move up. And as I move up, I'm going to add that braid with the rubber band into the next braid. So it's a continuation, so that when I get to the middle of my hair, right where we meet the boxes, everything can be pulled together. So as you can see, these locks are like a medium size. So while I'm beating it, it's really easy. It slides on and off with no issue. But as we get to the boxes, I'm going to use the crochet hook. And that is where I have to stretch the top of the loop just a little. So you can install these as individual locks as well, which would be the wrap method. I do have a video on my channel, of course, showing you how to do the wrap method with boho locks. But to reinstall these, I definitely would try that method, because I personally like the wrap method better because you just have more versatility. But as far as this style, this is an instant style. You can have locks in less than an hour. So I'm going to continue to do that and feed them in. Now you can do less. In hindsight, I would have done less locks during the back where I beat it onto the braid. I probably should have done maybe 8 and the very nape, and then gradually work my way up, because once I got to the top, I kind of was trying to figure out like how I'm going to finesse it, because I was like, you know, I could use a few more locks. So that's just something you want to keep in mind. I would keep majority of the locks to the center of your head so that you can camouflage whatever's going on in the back. But I'm going to just continue to do that as I get to the top. And as you can see, we're moving along super fast because this is such an easy, quick style. So now when I get to the top and we start the boxes, I'm going to jump back into the video. So now that we've gotten to the top and we've gotten to the boxes, I just want to let you guys know that usually when I do this style, or depending on what it is that I'm crocheting, I would stick the crochet needle through the base of the box braid. But I'm not doing that because I didn't want to put too much tension on my hair. So I'm actually using the crochet under the braid that is being fed into the next box. So if you can see closely, when we get to the front, instead of sticking that crochet needle right through my hair where I have the box, I actually slip it under the braid. So that is going to give me less tension, so I don't have to worry about pulling and snugging on my hair. Also, with the way these locks are, once I crochet it and loop it through, it camouflages that, so you can't even tell where the lock is being looped. So I like that. It's easy to camouflage. But once again, you see me here, I'm stretching the loop out just so I have enough room to pull the lock through when I go to secure it. So now you can put as many locks as you want in the front, but keep in mind this is like a medium sized lock, so you don't want too much because you don't want it to be too bulky, and you still want to be able to achieve different hairstyles. So I spaced it out accordingly, and I was satisfied with the way it looked. So being that this is human hair, you are able to put product on this hair, the human hair curly pieces. I did wet it down once I was done. I didn't add any mousse, but I did wet it down. So once I'm done, I'm going to show you what this looks like in a few different styles. And baby, this eats down. I absolutely love this color. I'm not going to hold you. I originally wanted the jet black, but the black was sold out. And I'm glad I didn't get the black because this was a change and I really do like the way this looks. So if you check the description box, I'm going to have all the details down below in case you want to check this hair out. They do have different lengths. This is 16, but they do have some shorter lengths. And if I'm not mistaken, they go up to 18. So check the links down in the description box and all the details. If I have a discount code, that will be in the description box as well. Big thank you to ToyoTress for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Until you know someone, no one said it would be easy to hold it down. You think you know someone until you know someone. No one said it would be easy to hold on to. Choice, just a word to me anyway. Still here saying the same damn thing. Do we expect things to change? It's like the world's working against us now. You saw to me, still gotta hold on. Freedom and freedom if it ain't free. Lord knows I paid for it, Lord knows I'm good for it. I do it all again, no matter how much. You think you know someone until you know someone. No one said it would be easy to hold it down. You think you know someone until you know someone. No one said it would be easy to hold on to. Just a word to me anyway. Still here saying the same damn thing. Do we expect things to change? It's like the world's working against us now. Give it the